Assalamu alaikum. Hi guys, I hope you all are doing well. So in today's video I have brought you a very cute unique long frock designs that you can make and wear at home. Watch the whole video to get your design. Don't skip. I have selected very cute and unique designs for you. You can see from here and make the same designs by taking a screenshot of them. Long frocks are very in trend these days, and long frocks with jackets also look very good. You can make a long or short frock with this fabric, or whatever dress you take, a 2-piece or 3-piece. You can make a long frock out of it. Depend on you how much open frock you want to make. These kind of frocks with straps are very popular these days. By watching the video, you can get an idea of what type of sleeves you have to design, neck design and frock designs. Wearing a long frock shows your personality very well, and it also makes your height look great. You can carry them in any type of body. If you liked my video today, then please like, share and subscribe my video. Also press the bell icon button so that the notification of my upcoming videos can reach you. Remember me in prayers. Take care. God bless you.